If you're looking for a cPanel alternative, Scala Hosting offers a powerful and user-friendly option called SPanel. SPanel is Scala Hosting's in-house control panel designed to give you full control over your hosting without the high licensing fees that comes with cPanel. This means lower costs for you, especially if you manage multiple websites or run an agency. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners and pros alike to manage domains, email databases, and security settings all in one place. Plus, it integrates smoothly with popular platforms like WordPress. One of the best things about SPanel is its robust security features built right in, such as automatic backups, firewall management, and malware scanning, features you would typically pay extra for elsewhere. SPanel also supports full root access on VPS plans, giving developers and advanced users the flexibility to customize their server environment. Overall, SPanel is a great cPanel alternative. If you want to save money and get a reliable modern hosting control panel that's built to perform. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hosting insights, and leave your questions in the comments.